Hey guys, so we have a pretty large firework haul, so let's hop right into it. For the first one, we have the Rain of Fire. This has 16 shots for this one. We had coupons for this place, so we ended up going to get some stuff because we had quite a few coupons. So we thought this would be good, and it's the Phantom brand. So we got that one. The next item that we got from there, which we only got 2 items from there because we had the coupons, like I said. This one is the Rolling Thunder Firework Assortment. I said assortment. So you get a whole kit. You get Roman candles, the Wolf Pack snaps, ground bloom, sunflower, outer space jet, tank with report, flying, pearl rocket, howling wolf pack, morning glory, the crackers, the silver cracker, cracker, toot and twirl. So you get quite a bit in that one. Different stuff in that one. Then we went to 2 other places that we know out there that have pretty good sales. We got a pack of the sparklers because I love doing these too. These are the gold, multicolor, and crackling. And you get 4 boxes of each. Next one we got are some like little fountains. This one's the Killer Bee, which has the little like bees on there. This one is the Green Willow. So we got a couple of those. Next one we got are the Roman candles. Next one we got is the Gold and Silver Treasure. And that is from that store. Okay. For the next bag, we have the Lightning We also have the Garden in Spring. Which is 7 shots. This one is seven shots. So both of those are 7 shots. The next one we got are some little ones. They were like buy one get 2, buy 3. No, buy 1 get 3. So they had quite a bit of like different sales. This one has 48 shots. And this one's smaller, so this is the color pearl. Then we also got some of these, which were buy 1 get 3. So 10 baht explosion, more Roman candles, I think. So we got that one, which you get 4 in each pack, and then I did 4 packs because it was buy 1 get 3. Next one were these cool sparklers, which is the neon sparkler, which I thought were pretty cool. So you get neon colors. And then we got some little like poppers for the little one that you just pull the string and confetti comes out. So we got that one. Champagne party poppers. This one is the Glory colorful sparklers. Another one of the little party poppers. And then some like small little fountains, or technically smokes. These are the pink smoke, then you got the blue smoke, green to orange smoke, another pink smoke. Another pearl, two of these, which are 48 shots. Another one of these, which is the festival ball, which I think this one does the colors too. So there's that one. The next one is another green to orange little fountain. Another blue smoke. And then this one is the green heaven. Then we got the M60 crackle maximum load. These are the ones that just pop. Which we got two of those because it was buy one get one free. And then I think I said another blue smoke. So that's the next bag. So we went to Phantom, Big Daddy K, Fireworks, and then we went to one other place, which was the Crazy something. Yeah. And then the last bag, we got two kits. So these are like kind of like fountain smokes, sparklers. This one is gold bamboo stick sparklers, friendship fountain. So you get quite a bit of like different stuff in this one. And this one was buy one get one free. So you buy one kit, you get another kit free. And it was $49.95, and then buy one get one free. So you're getting two for the price of one. And that is everything of fireworks that we got this year. I think this is the most we've actually spent, because the first year we bought, and then this year, and I think this was the most. Yeah, this was the most we spent this year. But hit the thumbs up, turn on notification bell to be notified when I upload, and maybe I may take some clips that day of some of the stuff, and then I'll put it into another video, maybe like a little vlog or something. So turn on notification bells and hit that thumbs up. Bye guys.